Coz is getting serious about science. Observe the snacks, the feet resting, or hardworking.
It's like I like my outdoors experiences
City style.
city style.
See that seat? It can break.
Oh, let's not break it.
See that?
We want to leave it for other people to study.
Oh, see?
Yeah, let's not break it.
It's so bendy that I'm not going to break it. See? It's so bouncy, isn't it?
Is that funny?
Look. Yeah! Nice run, Molly!
Maybe someday Alethea is going to host one of those nature adventure shows. Exploring in the Woods with Alethea Vikasland on PBS.
Steven spotted this light. See it?
Uh-huh.
And then follow me. Come on. See this? It's all orange now. Pretty.
It is. Beautiful fall day in Missouri.
This way.
October, time to be in St. Louis.
October, go Cardinals.
This way. Go Cox. Go Cox. See this way? Come on. It says help keep. And then see this? What does that say?
Well, can you read some of it? What's it say at the top?
Welcome to
Robert and Martha Gaddy Wild Bird Garden.
Okay, see these berries? We saw them on a nature trip. I'm gonna take some of them.
Are you sure we should pick them?
Yeah. Claire picked some.
Yeah, but you do not put those in your mouth or anywhere. Those are poisonous.
I'm not gonna put them in my mouth.
Okay. Don't